Okay everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make winding bench in SketchUp. Okay, first of all we have to make a basic line pattern with a 2-point arc. Then we can place on here. Then we can set the length around maybe around 100 and a little bit more millimeter. Then we can set the bulge. Okay, and then we can continue to make a reversal curvy. Okay, then double click it. Okay, it's done, and then we can double click again with left click. We have to offset it on the two side, outside and inside. Okay, we can offset it outside around 300 millimeter, and we can offset also in here 300 millimeter also. Okay, and after that we can make a curve for the end of edge. Over there we can use a 2-point arc. Okay, and then we can select this endpoint to the endpoint. Okay, and after that we can continue from this endpoint to this endpoint, and then we can delete some unnecessary line over there. Okay, so it has been created for the basic plane of this bench, and then we can just triple click in this plane, and we can move it to the upper position and press Ctrl on your keyboard and place for the any height. Okay, we have to make the thickness of this plane. We can set the thickness around 50 millimeter. Okay, and then we can triple click, right click, and make group. And after that we can offset this bottom plane inside. We can offset it inside. Okay, around 250 millimeter or more. Maybe we can just offset it for only 200 millimeter. Then we can erase this outer plane, and then we can triple click this outer line also, then right click and select erase to clear it. Then we can push it up. We can push it up around the our desired height of the page. Okay, we can set the height around 500 millimeter. Okay, and then triple click on this and right click and make it group. Okay, and after that we can select this bending top bench. We can move and position on the top of the pen support anyway. Then it's done. Okay, and then we can make the base plane over there. We can push it down to make a thickness of the base plane, and then we can select this cladding stucco white to make a support material, and then we can using another material with the wood option, we can select this wood anyway, and then we can select the another material for a landscaping material. Over there we can select this, and then we can just assign it with okay, and after that we can also set the shadow of the visualize to the make realistic visualize, and also we can adjust the shadow with the option, with this option in default tray. We can set the orientation of the shadow, and we can set the depth of the shadow also, and we can set the light and darkness ambience, and we can set the dark or smooth shadow over there. Okay, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching, and I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and thanks for watching. Thank you.